Imagine a future where journeys to Mars take mere weeks instead of months, thanks to a groundbreaking propulsion system that harnesses the power of fusion energy. This isn't science fiction. It's the vision of Helicity Space, a California-based startup that's making significant strides in developing a fusion drive capable of revolutionizing space travel. Founded in 2018, Helicity Space has been dedicated to creating a propulsion system that doesn't rely on traditional combustion methods. Their innovative approach involves using plasma bursts, generated by the fusion of hydrogen isotopes into helium, producing continuous thrust. This method not only increases speed, but also eliminates the need for narrow orbital launch windows between Earth and Mars. If successful, this technology could reduce the travel time to Mars from the current 9 months to just 2 months per leg, making a round trip possible in approximately 4 months. This dramatic reduction in travel time would mark a historic leap in space exploration, offering flexibility for more frequent missions and reduced risk for astronauts. Potential applications of this fusion drive extend beyond Mars missions. Helicity Space envisions a scalable and reusable propulsion system suitable for defense, commercial transport, and satellite constellations. The drive can be built in a range of power outputs, from 100 kilowatts to multiple gigawatts, depending on mission requirements. This flexibility positions it as one of the most promising developments in space travel to date. In early 2025, NASA recognized the potential of Helicity Space's fusion drive by selecting the company as one of 15 recipients of its Innovative Advanced Concepts (IAC) awards. This grant provides resources to further test the fusion engine and validate its performance. The project will focus on confirming the thrust and energy output needed for long-term space travel. NASA's interest underscores the value this space technology could bring to future missions, both robotic and crewed. And the fusion drive operates by generating continuous thrust using plasma pulses. This method not only increases speed, but could also eliminate the need for narrow orbital launch windows between Earth and Mars. If successful, Mars travel time could be shortened from almost a year to just a round trip of 4 months, with each leg lasting about 2. That would mark a historic leap in space travel, offering flexibility for more frequent missions and reduced risk for astronauts. In the Kamite, beyond exploration, this propulsion method could set a precedent in broader space technology applications. Helicity Space says the drive is scalable and reusable, suitable for defense, commercial transport, or satellite constellation. It can be built in a range of power outputs, from 100 kilowatts to multiple gigawatts, depending on the mission requirements. That flexibility makes it one of the most promising developments in space travel to date. While still in development, the fusion engine from Helicity Space represents a bold and potentially game-changing advance in space travel. But if the company's projections hold true, we could soon see a future where Mars travel time is measured in weeks, not months, and where space technology leads the way to a new era of interplanetary exploration. The implications of this technology are profound. Shorter travel times would reduce the exposure of astronauts to cosmic radiation and microgravity, both of which pose significant health risks during long-duration missions. Additionally, the ability to transport larger payloads more efficiently could facilitate the construction of habitats, laboratories, and other infrastructure necessary for sustained human presence on Mars and beyond. However, Several challenges remain before this vision can become a reality. Developing a reliable and efficient fusion reactor that can operate in the harsh conditions of space is a formidable task. Ensuring the safety of the crew and the integrity of the spacecraft during high-speed travel also requires extensive testing and validation. Moreover, the economic viability of such missions must be considered, as the costs associated with developing and deploying fusion propulsion systems are substantial. Despite these challenges, the progress made by Helicity Space and the support from NASA signal a promising future for fusion propulsion in space exploration. As research and development continue, we may witness a paradigm shift in how humanity approaches interplanetary travel, bringing us closer to becoming a multiplanetary species. In conclusion, the development of fusion propulsion systems represents a significant leap forward in our quest to explore the cosmos. By drastically reducing travel times and increasing the efficiency of space missions, this technology has the potential to transform our understanding of the universe and our place within it. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one can't help but wonder what other technological marvels await us in the vast expanse of space.